Hello students, how are you? I am fine. I hope all are fine. So today we are going to discussing physics class 12 electric charges and field. Very important concept, neutral point or null point. So previous videos we are discussed electric field definition and intensity of electric field, and similarly superposition of the electric field definitions and each and every derivation also. And today we are going to discussing electric field due to null point, means your neutral point. So students, shall we start today class? Yeah. So first thing here, null point or neutral point, very important concept and very useful concept for NEET and JEE. So here first concept is, in the case of a system of charges, means system of charges, if the net electric field is zero, at a point, it is known as null point. For example, two charges are there between any one point P point, let us consider that P point is null point or neutral point. So we have to take here two electric fields are forming. One is Q1 of the charge of the electric field and second one is Q2 of the electric field. See here application, first applications are two charges Q1 and Q2 are separated by a distance R, means here two charges are there, Q1 and Q2. So separated by a distance R, and this distance is R, okay, R and fixed, two charges are fixed students. We can locate the point on the line joining those charges where resultant R, net electric field is zero. Net electric field means here at P point, here P point is there, clear na student, at P point. Now basically electric field definition, E is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught and Q by R square. We know this already derived electric field definition. So now let P be the electric P be the null point, means here distance is Q1 to P point, at distance is x distance. Nothing but at P point has some charge is Q0 charge, that is the unit test positive charge. So similarly here this distance is at P point to Q2 point R minus x. This total distance is R and Q1 charge of the at P point is x distance and remaining distance R minus x. So now net electric field in vector form equal to 0. Very important, I am talking about case 1. Case 1 what is saying, so if the charges are like, two charges are positive charges, the neutral point will be between the charges, means two charges of the between point at P point. So now electric field, two electric fields are there. First Q1 charge of the electric field E1 and second charge of the electric field E2 bar equal to 0. Both are vector form I am writing here. So similar here when I am writing magnitude relation, E1 equal to E2. Actually we are getting here E1 bar minus E2 bar, but this is the vector form. When I am writing magnitude relation, E1 equal to E2. So now E1 equal to Q1 charge of the electric field 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 by x square, and second one E2 value 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q2 by R minus x whole square. Nothing but R plus here x is there and here R plus R minus x whole square. So we are going to deriving this one, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught cancel students, okay. And similarly here remaining thing is, what is there here remaining thing, see here we are getting here x value, we don't know x value how much distance there at the null point from the Q1 charge. Now 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught cancel, and remaining value Q2 by Q1 equal to Q2 by Q1 and next to R minus x whole square by and x square. After derivation this one we are getting, so x equal to R by, this is the root over Q2 by Q1 plus 1. This is the first case of the x value. This is the x value. Clear now students? Very important thing, very useful concept. Repeatedly we are going to deriving next second case. See here, second case what happened. So clear now, first case here, x is equals to, finally we are got answer is x is equals to r by root over q2 by q1 and plus 1. Okay, next I am rubbing this one. Same application. Okay. See here. So if the charges are like, and neutral point will be outside the charges, means these two are unlike charges, I'm talking about unlike charges. Sorry, clearly I will write here, unlike the neutral point will be outside the charges. So here, for example, let us take here two charges q2 and here q1. I'm talking about case 2 students, q1 and q2 outside of the at p point here there. So actually basically these two charges of the distance is r and this distance is x. Okay, total distance is at q point r plus x. Clear now students? Okay, outside of the point, let p be the null point. Now first here q2 charge of the electric field or q1 charge of the electric field, net electric field E net equal to 0 and similarly E1 equal to E2. Means here actually vector form E1 bar minus E2 bar and magnitude of the, when writing magnitude relation E1 equal to E2. Now E1 value 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, q1 by x square, and second one 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q2 by r plus x whole square. Now 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught cancel students. A remaining thing here we are getting x is equals to r by root over q2 by q1 minus 1. This is the answer, x value. Clear now students? X value here visible or not? Okay, x value is visible and x is equals to r by root over q2 by q1. So very important useful concept this one. So once again I am writing here at the between of the two charges of the formula, x is equals to r by root over q2 by q2 by q1 plus 1, and second one, this is the case 1, and case 2 x is equals to r by root over q2 by q1 minus 1. This is not visible, so means some duster problem is there. No problem. Here I am writing here root over q2 by q1 minus 1. This is the case 2 answer. Clear now students? Do you have any doubts? Ask in comments and I will give mail ID also. Thank you very much. All the best students.